Dealing with a snoring partner can be the worst. Not everyone who snores suffers from sleep apnea, but did you know that the primary symptom of sleep apnea is snoring? Thanks to at-home sleep tests, getting tested for sleep apnea is literally easier than ever. You can take your test in the comfort of your own home, your own bed, and have the results sent to a board-certified physician the very next day. If you do have sleep apnea, the good news is that treatment can be life-changing. And if you don't have sleep apnea, well, then check out our video right here for more tips on how to cut out snoring.